Waiting for good grilling weather? Chef Indoor Smokeless Grill is designed to use 365 days a year, rain or shine. Easily cook smokeless, healthy barbecue grill as you wish. With infrared technology, Chef Grill heats up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit in 3 minutes. No need to preheat. It works out the temp control from 0 to 460 degrees Fahrenheit. Perfect for grilling food you like. Thanks to infrared smokeless technology and cooling drip tray, Chef brings you real smokeless grilling. Just press the button and you can switch to different modes of grill, equipped with multiple accessories like grid, fork, skewer. Chef allows you to transform your kitchen countertop into an open grill station, steak, skewer, roast whole chicken as you wish, like a chef. Boasting a 125 square inch surface, this compact grill can grill up to 14 chicken wings at the same time, serving up to 5 to 8 people. Chef. Enjoy chef quality grilled food year round.
Introducing the Kaizen Waterproof Food Thermometer, an ultra-fast thermometer that takes temperatures in as little as 2 to 3 seconds. Being fully waterproof, washing is a breeze, and with a large and bright LCD screen, it's great for nighttime barbecues. The thermometer has the ability to hold temperatures for easy readings. With the calibration function, accuracy can be ensured. Follow local or international recipes easily by toggling temperatures to Fahrenheit or Celsius. The thermometer features a battery-saving auto-off function after 10 minutes. A retractable probe makes it easy to store, or simply hang it up with a built-in magnet. Cook like a pro every time with the Kaizen thermometer.
you